SMART goal means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. In terms of a SMART goal, specifics, like you really need to know what exactly you're looking to save up for. So if it's a vacation, who's involved with the vacation, if it's just you and your spouse, or if it's your family. So your financial needs for that might be completely different depending on who's involved or what the activity. But if you don't really know what specific amount that you need, it's going to be very challenging. So measuring that goal into a dollar amount really helps to get that savings plan established. The next one, attainability. So, what financial behaviors do you need to have in order to help your progress towards savings? Or what financial behaviors do you have right now that are preventing individuals to achieve those financial goals? So really taking a self-assessment on what behaviors in your budget is really helping or really hindering. How much can you actually set aside given all the required expenses that you have? Put a roof over your head, put gas in your car. And this is also a really great way to see what's actually reasonable. Is it reasonable for me to save $1,200 by the end of the year? Or is it reasonable to save up for a down payment within 3, 4, maybe 5 years? Without a time deadline, it's just a dream. So making sure that you're really determined, adamant in setting that time frame of, I want to achieve X amount by X amount of time, so that it really keeps you focused and really keeps you driven to set aside money for the things that you want and the things that you need for your financial fitness.